Unlocking automation. Why use Zapier?
Zapier is a powerful tool that connects your favorite apps and automates repetitive digital tasks. Instead of spending hours copying information or performing the same steps over and over, Zapier can handle these processes for you. This allows you to focus on more important work and save valuable time each day, all without needing to know how to code.
Getting started with Zapier.
To begin automating tasks with Zapier, first create a free account on their website. Once signed up, take a moment to explore the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the idea of a Zap, which is an automated workflow that links 2 or more apps. You'll soon see how easy it is to set up basic automations for your daily workflow.
Building your first Zap.
Creating a Zap is simple. First, pick the trigger app. This is where your automation starts, like receiving a new email. Next, choose the action app where you want something to happen, such as saving the email's attachment to cloud storage. Customize each step and test the Zap to ensure it works as expected before turning it on.
Popular ways to save time with Zapier.
Many people use Zapier to automate tasks like backing up email attachments, posting updates to social media, or adding new contacts to CRM systems. You can integrate hundreds of apps, so whether you manage marketing, sales, or personal to-do lists, there's a Zap that can streamline your workflow and reduce manual errors.
Tips for effective task automation.
Start small by automating just one repetitive task. As you gain confidence, explore more advanced features like filters and multi-step Zaps to build smarter, more efficient workflows. Regularly review and update your Zaps to adapt to changing work processes, ensuring your automations stay relevant and helpful over time.